If the weather seal on your garage door is starting to let in water or critters or things that you don't want, there's a good chance that you need to replace it. Let me show you how to do that in a few easy steps. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is bring the door up to about shoulder height. And that's just so you don't have to be bending over the whole time while you're trying to pull the seal through, because it takes a little bit of time. Find the 2 screws, there's one on each end that's holding the seal from moving left or right. So we're gonna go ahead and take those screws out. Now that we have those screws out, it will allow us to pull this seal out. We had the door at about shoulder height, but this L bracket right here was blocking it. So if that happens to you, just move the door down a little bit so that you can pull it out and it's not gonna hit this bracket right here. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That might help. Sometimes it will get stuck on the hole that we put the screw in. And sometimes that little channel right there will get bent. And so you just need to get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of bend it out so that it keeps those channels nice and open.
I like it, this one just pop out the channel.
There you go.
God, yeah.
Okay, so instead of pulling it all the way out, we're just gonna pull it straight down. It's a little bit easier, isn't it? To show you what this looks like, these little T's right here are what goes down that channel. What we're gonna do is make sure we get those T's on each side of the channel. And you also wanna make sure that this section that has the ribs, this is the part that's gonna touch the floor. The 2 of us are just gonna work together. One will pull slowly while the other one feeds the T's through the channel. Take your time with it and be patient, but I highly suggest using 2 people to do this, because if you try and do it yourself, you're gonna get frustrated and give up.
If you're having a hard time pulling the seal through the channel, you can spray the channel with a little lubricant so the seal will slide easier.
Once we have the seal where we want it to be, then we're gonna pull it. There'll be a little gap between the end of the panel and the inside of this rail, but on the other end we're gonna cut it off. And then we're gonna put the 2 screws back in. Then over here, we have a little bit of excess, so we're gonna cut it. Perfect. Now we're finished and the seal won't move left or right. That's how you replace the bottom weather seal for your garage door. If you can have patience with it, you can do it, and then you can seal up your garage as good as it was when it was first installed. If you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.